Assalamualaikum. In the beginning, the name of Allah is most mighty and most merciful. So in this video, we are going to learn JavaScript new chapter that are commands and operator and operand. So we are going to learn and we will know how to write operator, what are operator and operand, and how can we do operator and operand. What is operator and operand? In last video I had told you that variables. In last video I had told you about variables. So you have to know basic HTML, JavaScript JS, operator and operand. You can say assignments, theoreticals, any like arithmetic, and then you have to write a script, then src, and name your JavaScript file 1.js. So you can make your file, but I am going to work in this script tag. Okay, put it here, open it. Here you need a hash a, wait, not a hash a, it will be p hash a, paragraph with the id. In script we will write first. If I tell you about commands that are this is an command with the double slashes, and if you have like this is an command with gray color, you will have the green color. So if I write a word slash star, so that's a multi-line command, and end it how star slash, that's an command. So now we are going to learn the operator and operand. What are operator, what are operand? Operator equal to plus, minus, divide, and multiply. And then there are operand. Operand equal to number. Simple. Operand equal to number. Now I will show you how can we. If I make here an variable, but let a equal to what? The paragraph ID document, the whole page, dot get element by the ID, take the ID from the element is an paragraph, give it 2 brackets, and in it you have to write a because the ID is a, in the end semicolon. Now I am going to I am going to call it how document, not a.inner HTML equal to what? The operator I am going to give. First I will make a what will I make a? I will make a let b equal to 12. That I had made an a what? An operand. What? An operand. So if I call here what? 12. Like not 12, I will call here b, and I have to go live here. We will wait. So that is going to show us what? The 12 answer, because that's an operand. If I call here any amount like plus 12, so that will show us 24. How? Because we are going to add operator and operand. But we are going to add operator and operand. There are many too you have to learn. If you add an operator and operand, that is not enough. That is not enough. So there are more. Like if you know equal, that's an assignment of arithmetic. So we will wait. Come here. Save it and come here. We will wait. It's loading. There is the answer, what? 12. So if I come back and what I will call here an operator with 12. Save it. Wait. There is 24. If I call a minus b and multiply by 3 and then divide by 1. Save it. The answer is minus 12. So if I show you an answer like b plus b minus 12, so there will be the answer 12. So now I will show you the equal to assignment. What is equal to assignment? The equal to assignment is basically, I will show you here. So the equal to assignment is it. Like I will show you one more element, that is dot value, that used with the input. I will write here input. Okay, simple input with the type text. Give it an ID of B. Okay, you have to now come down. Okay, now you are going to call what? The B. You will make it, let's see, because we had B already. Let's see equal to document dot get element by the ID. The ID is going to be B in, and then you have to write a C dot value equal to what? C dot value equal to document dot get element by the ID. Like you can see like this. If I write here a dot inner HTML equal to what? C dot value. Save it. Come here. You have to put here an event. Now we are going to make here. Then let's see C dot. If I do it how? Document dot get element by the ID. The what will be the ID A, and then dot inner HTML equal to what? Equal to the C dot value. So that will be shown. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to press the bell icon button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will meet you in the next video with my new content. So take care and Allah Hafiz.